Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to build another super practical little tool using C# and WinForms. This time we are creating a screenshot to Clipboard Tool. So let's open Visual Studio 2026 and build this tool step by step. Start by creating a new project. Choose WinForms app.net. I am using .NET 10, but this works perfectly fine in older versions as well. Let us call the project Screenshot Clipboard Tool. Then click Create. We only need a very small interface. Add a button to the form. Name the button BTN Capture and set the text to capture screen. Next add another button. Name it BTN Save and set the text to save screenshot. Finally add a picture box. Set the property size mode to zoom. This allows us to preview the captured screenshot properly. The workflow of our tool will now be very simple. The user clicks Capture Screen. The application takes a screenshot. The image is copied to the clipboard. And the preview appears inside the picture box. Then the user can optionally press Save Screenshot. First we create a variable to store the captured screenshot. Now comes the interesting part. We capture the screen using the graphics class. Inside the capture button click event we write the code that performs the screenshot. Let us quickly understand what happens here. First we get the screen size using screen primary screen bounds. Then we create a bitmap image with the same size as the screen. Next we create a graphics object that draws into this bitmap. Now comes the important line. Copy from screen. This method copies pixels directly from your screen into our bitmap image. After that we display the image in the picture box. Finally we copy the image into the Windows clipboard using Clipboard Set Image. This means you can instantly paste the screenshot into applications like Paint, Word, PowerPoint, Discord, or any other program. Now let us add the option to save the screenshot as a PNG file. Inside the Save button click event we write the code for saving the image. First we check if a screenshot already exists. Then we open a Save File Dialog so the user can choose where the file should be stored. Finally we save the image as a PNG file. Let us test the tool. Click Capture Screen. The screenshot now appears in the preview window and the image is already copied to the clipboard. But we see also our own tool in the screenshot. So let's fix that with 2 simple lines in the capture code. So just set the opacity to 0 to hide the windows. And after capture the screen we set it back to 1. Simple or? So let's make another test. Looks much better or? So after capture we can use the image direct in other tools like Paint. And we are also able to save it to our hard drive to share it later. In this small project we learned 3 really useful things. First we learned how to capture the screen using graphics copy from screen. Second we learned how to copy images into the clipboard using Clipboard Set Image. And third we learned how to save files using a Save File Dialog. These APIs are used in many professional desktop tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out the entire playlist where we build many small and useful tools using C# and Windows Forms. Each tool teaches one new concept in just a few minutes. And here is a challenge for you. If this video reaches 200 likes, I will show you how to build a full Windows snipping tool clone in C#. Thanks for watching and happy coding.